Brought to you by Daniel Thill, maker of many funny videos online. Thank you for watching. Today has been brought to you by Eminem Dude. Yo Holmes, what's up? I'm here to talk to you about sucky trucks. Okay, hear me out here. Okay, I'm always getting hit by random trucks. Today I've come to diss them. You trucks, all your trucks out there are stupid, retarded, idiots with no lives. Alright, get a life. Right now I could get hit by a flying truck. I probably will by the end of the show. Snap. That felt a little weird. Hello? I hope this is over.